Hello, everybody. Um, Welcome to Frontiers Annual Research Day. My name is Steve Leeder. Here at Children's Mercy, I'm the Chief Scientific Officer, and for Frontiers, I'm co-PI with Dr. Castro. Oh, there is Dr. Castro. To kick things off, we're going to invite the President and CEO of Children's Mercy Hospital. Now, I'm going to be in trouble for calling him Dr. Quiroga, because he prefers to be called Ali. So I'm going to invite Ali to come up and welcome you all on behalf of the institution. Ali?
Yeah, thank you. Welcome, everybody. Nice to see you all. I was getting some people that were lost on their way here. Where's Sarah? There you go. You found your way. I'm so glad that you're here. The team was, when she was lost, she's like, okay, I think he can help you. We were coming to the same place. She's like, are you the keynote speaker? And the answer is, not really. I'm not smart enough. We're full of very smart people here and translational scientists from all sorts of different organizations across town. But as smart as you are, I'm as excited as I am for you all to be here. I'm most excited about this first row of people. In case you don't know, they're students from Lincoln High School. Welcome, Children's Mercy. We have a science problem in the US. And this is a pediatric healthcare organization. We know that kids are the future of the world. We also know that every kid is a scientist. They like to think about the world. They like to look around and ask questions, and they wonder. And our job as healthcare organizations, as scientists, is to make sure that as they go through their academic endeavors, we keep science fun. Michio Kaku, I hope you all know who he is. He is a very prominent scientist. Says that the US has a neurotoxicity problem with high school. That most kids enter high school loving science, and somehow we beat it out of it. So something is going well in Lincoln High School that you're here. Something is going well with Kansas City, that we can all be in a room like this talking about science, and a healthcare organization that does science with other scientific organizations. Sarah does population healthcare. I love that. That used to be part of what I did growing up in my leadership. So we're very excited to host you. We're very excited for the future. Science is one of the most important endeavors in the world, and I hope that you all become scientists. Welcome to Children's Mercy. Thank you.
So again, on behalf of the Children's Mercy Research Institute and Children's Mercy the Pediatric Healthcare Enterprise, welcome to the latest version of Frontiers Research Days. An event like this cannot come off without the support of a number of people, and I'm probably going to jump into Julius's turf here a little bit. You can feel it coming? Good. I'd like to express our appreciation to the Frontiers Central team. If those of you in the auditorium, could you put up your hands? Yeah. And also the Children's Mercy event staff. Ali, are you and your team here in the auditorium? But anyway, they are also critical to the success of an event like this. At the Research Institute, we try to create a culture of curiosity in which the areas that we conduct research on are relevant and have a near-term impact on the care of kids. So we really like to work on problems that come to our attention from the the providers, the physicians, the pediatricians, nursing staff, anybody who touches patients. There are often barriers or obstacles that one must overcome to conduct that research. And there is a science to studying those barriers, and it's clinical and translational science. Trying to identify those problems or challenges that if we could solve would have a broad applicability across areas, neurology, cardiology, rheumatology, you name the condition or the specialty. So today, we have the opportunity of talking about, learning about clinical and translational science. And we are really, really, really happy that you are all here to enjoy the setting and learn more about the future of research. And with that, I'll hand it over to Julius Leary, the Executive Director of Frontiers and Chief Cat Herder.
Is this still coming through in the back?
Hello? Oh, maybe too close to the other mic. Okay, thank you. Thank you for reducing my workload, Steve. I appreciate it. Again, I do want to say thank you to Frontier Central and CMRI and all the staff for making this possible. It takes a lot of hard work to go through the day and think, that was nice. Everything ran so smoothly. Leading up to it, if you've never done event planning, it's stressful and it's a lot. So I cannot thank those teams enough for helping us pull off such a great event. I would also like to point out this is the second time we've held this event at Children's Mercy, the second time we've had high school students here. Last time we had multiple schools. And their own decision, all the high school students come up to the front 2 rows. And I see a lot of people I work with all the way in the back with all these open seats. So extra kudos to you for being brave, not knowing me. The people that do know me sit far away. Not sure what that says. But if you're sitting in the back, you have extra obligation to engage with these high school students throughout the day, especially during the poster session at lunch. Please go talk to them, ask them questions, give them feedback. They're very excited to be here, so please help make this a great experience for them. Okay. Breakout sessions throughout the day are going to be on the first floor. You can take the elevator or the stairs. In the elevator, there are little white stickers next to the LG1 buttons that tell you what's happening on that level. Lunch will be available in the lobby outside of this big, slick auditorium. So you can grab your lunch and a beverage, bring it in here, go to one of the next breakout rooms. Please make time for the lunch poster session. We're going to have lots of students participating in that. We'll have beverage stations on the first floor and the lobby. Frontier Central staff will be wearing white lanyards like this with Ask Me signs. I would ask someone else in the white lanyard a question, so I'm going to show my name on this side. But if you have questions about anything, please find someone with a white lanyard and they can help you out. There's going to be photography throughout the day, so smile and interact with each other. We're also going to record sessions and post them on our YouTube channel, so you'll be able to view them later. And the last fun note, shuttles are going to be available throughout the day. If a shuttle does not know when you need to go, please ask someone wearing one of these white lanyards, and we can assist you. So after all of that exciting news, I'm going to hand it over to my other boss, Dr. Mario Castro.
Can you hear me okay on this one? Very good. All right. Well, thank you, Steve and Julius and Ollie, for a wonderful introduction. This is an exciting day for us as we get to highlight some of the best science that we presented today from you all. And we're also going to highlight dissemination and implementation science as the theme for our Frontier Symposium this year. And for those that are not familiar with dissemination implementation science, I kind of like Paul's step 1, imagine, and step 2, do. I call it as the doers. You know, how do we do things better? And we know the science, but we don't implement it. And so that's the biggest challenge and why we've developed this field to really address this area.